Burna Boy's freestyle turn global hit is the kind of magic he can pull off.
Be my witness, me and you not get to business.
What started as an off-the-cuff moment exploded into a worldwide anthem, proving yet again why he's Africa's biggest superstar. Burna Boy's raw talent, unmatched vibe, and effortless flow turned a spontaneous session into a chart-topping banger.
Grammys, how you feeling tonight? I need you to get up out your seats immediately.
Breaking borders and dominating playlists from Lagos to London to Los Angeles and Paris. From viral clips to Grammy-level recognition, this is how Burna Boy's spontaneity became a movement.